Some patients require more monitoring than others.
We have patients who lack capacity, who might be altered mental status. They might be confused due to, say, a urinary tract infection. We have patients who have end-stage dementia.
In the past, a safety tech would need to stay in the patient's room and watch them for their entire stay.
It was more hands-on, helping feeding, helping assisting getting up, sitting down.
In the last few weeks, Lee Health has gone digital.
All right, I'm gonna have the nurse come in and bring that in for you.
Now they can wheel a camera cart into the room for virtual patient observation.
This, you can actually watch 6 patients at a time, which is more efficient. You cover a little bit more ground for just one person.
With this technology, the virtual safety techs can watch a live feed into the patient's room. They're able to communicate with them in real time and address any concerns they may have.
Instead of hitting the call bell when the nurse wondering, oh my God, what does Miss Jones need? I'm going over to Mr. Thomas's room. We can say, hey, she needs a glass of water. Not a problem. I'm gonna go over here to this room here. He needs a Band-Aid, stick it up real quick. Stick the Band-Aid on and it'll be over with the water.
The cameras don't record, and the safety techs can only listen in if the patient waves their hand, indicating that they need help.
Having it be in the corner of their room helps to put the family at ease because they know their loved one is constantly being monitored.
Using technology to improve patient care. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.